So we come to this Mexican place here to eat here in Blacktown. I'll show you guys.
Do you want guacamole on the side?
Yeah,
Can I get guacamole on the side, please?
Just one.
Two, please.
Baby, what's your verdict about the food we just ate? Huh? You want to give it a 10 out of 10? Yes? No? Okay then.
He's like, put me in the car.
She goes, put me in the car, stop mucking me around. You guys ate and I just watched. Well, that was a nice feed, guys. Yep. I wanted the experience of the soft with the meat and dip, but I felt that the crunchy one was much better. I think it's because I like crunchy food, so yeah. But it was still alright. I'm not saying I'm not gonna go there again. I'm gonna go there again and then order other things that I didn't eat. And the call was nice. I thought it was pork ribs. We're here at West Point, guys. We thought we'll come here and spend some money. Oh, I thought I saw a friend, but it's not a friend. It's a stranger. Stranger danger. Guys, if you guys see me fall down, don't laugh. Don't gutta gutta. I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. I'm just walking around, trying not to look lost. I don't know where I'm going, guys. I don't even know what I'm doing. Come here for a nosy. Okay? Little portable oven. So if you want to cook something, oh, no, no. Imagine buying that, and that's what you're going to hear every time you open it up. It's quite big in here. Ah, look who I see. It's Hope and Valerie. What are you two doing? I'm gonna go and look for me a book too. This is a book that represents me and my other half, Beauty and Julius. It's got a toaster and burnt toast on it. I think Julius would be more interested in this one. Quite nice. Guys, look at this. Isn't that supposed to be a slipper? Slipper with high heels. Oh, rich. It's so rich. Valerie, are you okay? Oh, they don't want to talk to me. Are you okay, sweetie? No, really. Oh, baby's sleeping. Yeah, well, we're just getting ready to go to Penrith Candy Store, okay? So come along with us, guys. It's a Saturday today, guys. So the candy store is still open. I wanted to go to Salvation Army. It's just across the road. But they close at 12. And it's almost 12. That's where the candy store is. It's 476 High Street in Penrith. So we're thinking after we're going to go for lunch. Okay, you know the Kool-Aid I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get this one. Remember the Twinkies? Oh, I used to love them. Oh, really good. They have a lot of Old Bay here, guys. But then they sell it at Woolies as well now, but the really small one. They have liquid smoke here. I think I'll get hickory. Hickory dickory dock. So I've got the egg benedict, hash brown, a bit of bacon on the side, and then, you know, just to add on to my egg benedict because I might feel eye after and it's not my own. What did you get?
I got
Banoffee. Yep, my one's strawberry. Yeah, it's got a nice taste to it too. I like the bacon cooked like this. they don't like it crispy as well. This is good. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Holy Faye, lovely meal. Faye, lovely meal. And Faye, lovely meal. That was really nice, eh? I'll get that next time. I really like that. The cracker was like crunchy, but a supple crunch, not a hard crunch that nearly knock your teeth out. Hi guys, so we arrived to my niece's birthday and I'm going to show you my food. Yeah, I've got potato salad, okra I think. Yeah, and some soy sausage and mac and cheese. Okay, time to eat, guys. What are you guys making?
I'll decorate it, yeah.
They're making a rainbow tree.
Oh, yummy. Sounds delicious.
Mom, where's the lid to this? Mom, put this in your bag. Mom, put this in your bag right now.
That's cute again. Don't you try and drink one, sis? Here's the cake girl. Yeah.
The cake boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dana. Happy birthday to you.
Everyone, on behalf of Deca as her older sister, I want to say thank you all for coming. Thank you for coming. I know I might go sleep on, but make sure you clean your mess dishes. That's all I gotta say.